Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. Let's go and let's explore further mathematics. This is Elias Sinkala taking you in the mathematics, pure mathematics. Okay, so our question will start. Let me say we'll continue from 1C T, and if possible 2. This will just take within 5 or 10 minutes to increase more room of understanding. So if you see number 1C, it is the quotient differentiation. This quotient differentiation, of which the quotient differentiation, you have to have u values, v values, and you can go ahead with the calculations. And the operating difference in quotient rule, it is subtraction. So as you see very much properly, when involvement of cos under differentiation, that shows to say trigonometry's identities, of which that goes with sine, cos, and going in the clockwise way. So cos to sine, you have to multiply with a negative. Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, and of which that shows to say cos changes to negative sign. So like what I was saying, on top here to be a u value, of which a u value to be xe, which is the natural log of that, which is co-natural log to the power 2x, and a v to be 2, the down one, cos x. Then we have to differentiate this one, of which I said du with respect to x, the x is equal to x, I leave like that. This one does not get affected, including the power. But what do affect it is the power. We have to differentiate it. But in the other way, you have to more likely to photocopy in differentiation way, of which you have to find the derivative of 2x, of which the derivative of 2x it is 2, right? What about v? We differentiate this one to be dv, with respect to x, which is dv dx, is equal to 2. We know to say cos, which is this one, changes into what? 2 negative sign, right? Cos changes into negative sign. So of which I'm going to put negative sign here, x. I can also find the derivative of this x, and the derivative of this x it is 1, of which I can multiply with 2, just remain 2 like that. And I go ahead, I said u over x is equal to, this time this one, it is 2x, the co-natural log of what? With being powered by 2x. Then dv over dx is equal to, this time this one is negative 2 sine x. Okay. Then after that, we go ahead, of which when it comes to the differentiating it, or differentiation, I've differentiated everything. Just have to put everything together and show what's supposed to be shown. So I've got two values, which is xc, co-natural log of v powered by 2x. V is equal to 2 cos x. Then the derivative of this one is du over dx, which is equal to 2xc, the co-natural log being powered by 2x. dv over x is equal to negative 2 sine x. Then for me, after doing this, that to show to say this should multiply with this, and this should multiply with this. Excuse me. Of which I have to show them v multiply with dv over du, v is multiplied with du over dx, right? Since it is a quotient rule, like what I said, the quotient rule, the operating sign here is what? Subtraction, right? What about the u values? U values is multiplying with what? Dv over what? Dx. And you can go ahead with the replacement here. What is our v? V value is 2 cos x, put in brackets. This is a parenthesis, not a brackets. This parenthesis is a parenthesis. Yeah. In what's our du over dx? It is 2x, the co-natural log being part by 2x, minus what is our u values? It is x, the co-natural log being part by 2x, then minus that is dv over dx, 2 sine x. And I have to forget one thing here. Since it is a derivative, we have to sort to say this is a division, right? And that's to be what? Divided by v value, and that's to be squared. V value and that's to be squared, of which a has to be over. What is our v values? It is 2 cos x. Please try to square it, like what is being said, like what is being shown, according to the formula. In fact, this is the principle. It's not a rule, it's a principle. It cannot be broken down. Yeah. So those who are comfortable can go, you can end here, no problem. You can end here, no problem. Yeah. No problem, it can be marked. In some books, they can go further like that, but if I saw that, I think it would take a lot of time, and that to bring inconvenience in terms of understanding. Let's go to the next question. The next question is saying to say, that is 1D. Y is equal to 3 cos, open brackets, open parentheses. Please, those are not brackets, are parentheses. 5x to the power 2 plus 2. Yeah. So this is a product rule. This is from 1D. Y is equal to 3 cos 5x squared plus 2. Right? Yes. So here we go. We go ahead with calculations, of which this is, we're going to have also u values and v values. Right? That's under product rule and chain rule. And the quotient rule. So I say u values, it is C3 cos. What is my v values? It is 5x squared plus 2. Remember, under differentiation, sine, cos, clockwise way, cosine changes to cos, cos changes to negative sign. Then du over the x, we find the derivative of this one, it is 3, right? 3 what? Cos changes to sine, which is negative sign. So negative 3 sine, right? What about this one? This dv over the x. We find the derivative of this one. We all know to say it is 2 times 5 and power affected by 1. Power has to multiply with the base, and also a power being affected by 1. Of which, this is, we're going to remain only with the, we're going to remain only with what? 10x. Yes, just like that. We want to say the constant, it is 0. Or the derivative of the constant is 0, so just forget about it. And also show a cross sign there, a multiplication there. Just to show to say, under product rule, you know to say operating sign there is what? Addition. Right? If you go back in logarithms, multiplication goes with what? Addition. So these three values multiply with du dx, V values is multiplying with u dx plus u value is multiplying with what? dv over what? dx. No division. What is my v values? It is 5x squared plus 2. Right? What is my du over dx? It is negative 3 sine. Right? Plus what is my u values? My u values, it is 3 cos. Right? What is my dv over dx? That is what? 10x. Yeah. You can end here, no problem. You can end here, no problem. Yeah. So regardless of the position, if you can start with u dv over dx or v du over dx, no problem. Yes. For this video, we end here to advance more room of understanding. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like for more encouragement. This is Elias Sinkala. See you in the next question. Thank you.